Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm show you how you can sign up on Shoppay, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Shoppay on Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on screen. So let me tap on that link and you'll be redirected to the official page of the Shoppay. So now you can see there is a login option at the left side of this download button. So let me tap on that login. And now you can see it is written sign in or create an account. So you basically need to enter your email address in here. So let me enter my email address to show you a demo. So once you complete your email address, then simply tap on the continue button. And now you need to verify yourself first. So now you can see it is written, to help protect your account, please solve this challenge to continue. So let me complete it first. So now you can see it is asking us for our phone number. So let me enter my phone number. Now you need to verify yourself first. So let me wait for my OTP. Now you can see 82809. So once you complete all the formalities, now you can see you'll be able to sign up successfully. So basically this is how you can sign up on Shoppay. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.